We finally got a nice day.
I ain't seen many shocks that weren't junk.
Well, happy Twisted Tuesday. We're all loaded up. We're gonna go over and open the lake house up. We finally got a nice day here. Huh, Shags? The old write-off made it. I ain't been here since last fall, I guess. Pretty nice day. Some old boys fishing. Boats in. I showed you guys before, we have a drilled artesian well there. Pressure tank and water heater in there. It's all hooked up, no leaks. Got the world's greatest ice machine all hooked up, plumbed up, making ice. What in Sam Heel did she buy now? I can see this is gonna involve. I ain't gonna lie, that took copious amount by myself. The neighbors thought they heard a few minutes ago. Wait till I try to put that on by myself. Bam! Well, the old Manitowoc's doing her job, boys. All right, boys. Managed to get that done. We're ready to go. I hope she didn't pay much for that piece, because it's a pretty cheap item. Let's get the frack out of here. I need a beer. Meanwhile, back at the home 20. Oh my God, they're doing cloud seeding! Looks like Hunter Peterbilt stopped by.
Those shocks are junk. Well, I ain't seen many shocks that weren't junk.
Looks like we got another project. Lulu don't. Obviously, Shaggy's mood changed and he don't get it now either. Hey, Jojo. Josie. Look what Daddy's got. Hot dog and break is over with. I guess we better get after them shocks. They ain't gonna put themselves on. Because my ambition level ran low, I decided to extend beer break and educate you guys. TRP gas shocks are made by Monroe. They're adjustable. I like them set on extra firm. PACCAR hydraulic shocks are made by Gabriel. Old Blue currently has the 3-way gas adjustable all the way around on her. Today, I ordered those PACCARs because they're on sale, and I'm all about saving money. I am very much cheap, always trying to save a buck. I think they're comfortably numb. Shags, I'm an old dairy farmer. We gotta get these shocks on. We ain't have time. I wish I didn't have to go trucking tomorrow. I'd stay on the floor with you. Now you've met the real Charlie Trucker. Everybody can. Except you, Shags. I love you.